Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Memorandum and co-venturer account. Memorandum joint venture account. Memorandum joint venture account is same in books of both the co-venturers. So only one memorandum joint venture account is shown to compute venture project. Joint venture with other co-venturer accounts. Joint venture with other co-venturer account is the personal account of the other party. Balance of this account shows the amount due from or an amount due to the other co-venturer. Example, A and B entered into a joint venture for the purchase and sale of second-hand bikes and to share profits and losses in the ratio 2:3. A bought 5 bikes for 40,000. A paid tax and insurance amounting to 2,500. A sold these bikes for rupees 68,000, out of which A remitted 10,000 to C, paying the balance account to his bank account. B bought 3 bikes for 35,000. B paid tax and insurance of rupees 900 and repair charges amounting to rupees 1500. B sold 1 bike for rupees 15,000, which he deposited into his own bank account. A then took over the other bike at a valuation of rupees 25,000 and the joint venture was closed. Prepare memorandum account, joint venture account and the account for joint venture with B in the books of A. Memorandum joint venture account. Look at the entries in credit side. In the debit side first, A the purchases of motorcycle for 40,000 and expenses 2,500. B purchases of 35,000 and expenses of 900. Repairing charges 1,500 paid by B. So in the sale proceeds is by A, sale proceeds received by A is 68,000, sale proceeds received by B 15,000, and A took the stock which is costing rupees 25,000. So the profit comes to 28,100, which is shared by A 2/5 11,240 and B 3/5 of 28,100 is 16,860 and the joint venture account is closed. Now look at the joint venture account with B in the books of A. In the debit side is for purchases 40,000, expenses 2,500 and remitted to C is 10,000, that is on account of B. And in the credit side it sells 68,000 and bikes taken over by A is 25,000. So in the profit and loss, as the profit debit is 11,200, so the bank balance is the balancing figure 29,260 is lying with that. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.